I'm going to show you how to make more muffins out of this corn muffin mix. We always have muffins when we have chili, and this is the little hack my mother-in-law taught me. You take 1 box of Jiffy mix corn muffin mix. Then you take 1 cup of flour, 1 egg, and I'm going to start with a cup of milk. Let's see how it goes. She just did this to make it stretch. Letting the muffin tin get hot. I've taken my pan out of the oven and I'm going to spray it with cooking spray. We'll put it back in the oven for about 20 minutes. I just got the muffins out of the oven. They came right out of the pan because I sprayed it and heated it up, and they look delicious. So I hope you try this muffin hack. They're worth the taste. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe for more cooking videos. Like and share this video. Leave a comment on what you want to see next.